Welcome back to the channel, Rachel and Sydney's World. I'm Rachel.
I'm Sydney.
And today, we're opening up Real Littles.
Shopkins. So they're kind of like the mini brands that we opened up, but they're with like faces. It's like the kind of like the same thing, but we found two limited edition things. Blue raspberry.
And
Cherry! Slush puppies! Slush puppies are like ices, but they're like in different kinds of shapes. I don't know, styles, I don't know. I haven't had them since like long time ago when we went to Beach Bird Rock.
Yeah, look
we always went to the station and always got plushies.
Well, let's get started.
So, I feel like this is the second time I opened one of these. Yeah. Because the first time I opened it was for my birthday. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, I got special.
That's a lot of layers.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Whoa, look at this. It's super long. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, so let's see.
Tony the Tiger.
Really?
No, I don't.
They have kid cuisine. No way.
Oh my god, I like kid cuisine.
Okay, I'm still looking. I'm gonna do a quick little browse through this.
I remember we haven't looked at them.
They have sneakers.
God, they have the bomb pops.
They have bomb pops?
Damn.
They also have squibblers. Whoa!
I have that rainbow popsicle, the sprinkle popsicle. Where is it? Okay, right here.
So we have the red and the blueberry slushie. So it's Mary Cherry slushie, and Sydney has the very berry blue slushie. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, very berry blue slushie. I also want the grape.
Okay, so I'm gonna pop out my first one. So, let's see if I pop out my first one.
It's mustard! Remember?
I got Rice Krispies! Does the box actually open?
Yeah, it opens up.
Look at that! So I can put the Rice Krispies inside. And they'll never know.
Wrong side.
Look at that.
Now want some mustard on there?
Yes, I'll take some mustard on these.
1 second. Come on, get out. Please.
Now this is a good combo. Oh, my mustard!
Also, surprisingly, half of them can be squishy. They probably might be squishy and probably might be. Because we have a pudding one, and that's squishy. And ketchup. Squishy ketchup. So I got Hebrew National, I can't really read the other words, beef franks in a blanket.
And I got cheddar cheese Pringles.
I don't.
Look at that, the little chip right here, it bends.
Fun fact, I don't think Rachel likes Pringles that much or eats it that much.
I only like the sour cream and onion.
I do not eat Pringles, fun fact. I used to eat it, but no flavor. I like stuff with flavor.
What do you see, my Pringles?
I got some pigs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket. That's how we say it. We say it's called pigs in a blanket. Oh my god, is that a straw? You can be drinking the bread.
Hey, I just noticed they have the little Shopkins logo on each one.
I don't see no Shopkins. Oh, Shopkins soda. No, that's Num Noms.
Yeah, you said the Num Noms one, go with the Shopkins. Okay,
next one. Oh my god, I get Eggos. 11.
So I got
It's so skinny.
Okay, so I got
we both got Eggos.
So I got.
So cool. Oh, they're not like mini brands. They don't say the recipes. They only just do scribble. That's what I do if I don't know how to write the labels. How you doing?
So after I was saying, I got Eggos, thick and fluffy.
Yeah, me too. I got homemade Eggos.
I got Belgian style original made with Madagascar. Don't touch my Eggos.
Sorry.
Made with.
I need to see it.
Made with let's see Madagascar vanilla. Ooh. Can he go inside? Oh, on the back it says different types. Original, blueberry, double chocolatey, and cinnamon brown sugar. That's interesting.
I don't know that. Okay, so here's mine. So it's this it's plain Eggo waffles, the plain ones. What was that?
Continue.
Okay. So what happened is, wait, I forgot what I was saying. No, I remember now. Okay, so it's plain Eggo waffles. It doesn't have blueberries. It's just plain. I think this is what we eat.
Wait, it doesn't have legs.
Wait, what?
It doesn't have legs.
I don't think it's supposed to have legs. What kind of food has legs?
Have you seen all the other Shopkins? They have legs.
Yeah, because they're people.
It's sad. They don't have legs.
Rachel, they're people Shopkins, not food Shopkins. Hey, now let's go to the other one.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got a big Doobaloo.
I got Klondike.
I think we have this.
He fell through the
Not
hole.
me. Yeah, we have a whole throw bench.
Yeah, when we sit on a little bench and there's like a crack through it, and he almost fell through the crack. Whoa, look at the Klondike. So it says Klondike original, making squares cool.
It's so hard.
Would you like some help, man?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure, man? You're really struggling, man.
Can I help?
It's broken.
Yes, it's so broken. Wait, was I making sound?
Yeah, I heard sound from one. You took mine. It's mine. It's mine.
So mine says
Oh my
Klondike, the original, making squares cool since 1922. So,
I got Briars.
oh my Klondike cat went. My Klondike cat went far. It went places it never been.
It went
before.
all the way to the gaming area. It went so far.
It went to a gaming area. The
So
Klondike.
I got Briars. I got Briars ice cream. We do eat Briars, but not this kind. I don't like the black raspberry chocolate. Oh, chocolate. I didn't read there's chocolate. Made with blackberries, swirls, and rich chocolatey chips. Okay, let's skip the chocolate chips area. Okay.
Oh, I just found out. If you look at the front, there's a piece of pie missing. I found the pie! Okay, goodbye. No, I said goodbye. And he's gone.
Now, the last ones are the legendary limited edition Slush Puppy.
Look at that! 5 flavored squirts. It's like a twist. Oh, it's a twist. That's so cool. Look at that. slush puppy, the original.
Now I'm kind of craving for some slush puppies.
It's gone. You can't find it. Woo.
Wait, what kind of face did you have?
Mine has some weird little like cat face.
Okay.
What is yours have?
The face of a cat.
Mine has a cat face. That's so cool.
Like this. I don't know how to do a cat face.
I don't think anyone does. I don't think it's possible to like make your mouth into that shape. Okay.
Okay.
Look at him go. No.
Now let's open up the mystery ones.
That was so epic. Like, look at this. That was epic.
Okay, so I'm just gonna. It fell.
Okay, so we're gonna open these. So, these are supposed to be the mystery ones. So we're gonna see. So we're gonna see which ones we get. So, come on out. Oh,
What the heck is
What is
that?
It's like a brown bag. Is that barf? I mean,
Wait, is that limited edition? I don't see that.
limited edition barf. Yes. I'm just kidding. Yes, limited edition popcorn. Okay, so let's see. Movie theater butter. So it's a
That
classic.
does not look like popcorn.
Well, it is.
Oh my god, I got cereal. Guess what kind of cereal it is?
Yellow.
It's not a cereal.
The limited edition.
It's not a limited edition cereal. Ultra rare. No, it actually is. Fruit Loopsy.
See, I told you that.
Let's see.
I'm smart.
Oh my god, I got it.
Oh, she got it!
Oh my god, I got Fruit Loopsy.
You do actually. Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, come on, give me the stairs. Chip, chip.
Oh, you broke it. The heck?
Oh my god, I'm making this kind of face.
Wait, where's my collector's guide?
Hey, what the heck is that?
Wait, I think you might have just gotten the regular one.
Oh, I got the whale one. It's a whale.
Whoa, whale!
It's a whale.
Wait, really? Oh, yeah, she got the regular one. No, not today. Nothing fun today.
We did get one luck today. Mini brain.
Okay, so I got my next one. Hi! What the? Okay, so I'm gonna bring out all of them that I got.
There's an annoying cat behind me.
So guys, this is what we got from Real Little Shopkins. So I've got a bunch. I got chips. I got some breakfast treats or something. I don't know. I got popcorn. I got waffles. I got pie. I got pudding. I got ice cream sandwiches. I got slushies.
I got a drink, I got a dinner, I got breakfast, I got a sauce, I got 2 more breakfast. Yeah.
There's still a lot of breakfast.
And then 2 desserts. Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rachel and Sydney's World.